Hi guys, welcome back. There's a lot of requests been coming, right, for easy recipe for the kids. So all kids, right, most of the kids like pasta, right, and I like the kids to get involved when making pasta, and it's very easy, kids, right. And request to moms, teach your kids how to cook, right, because you're not gonna go with them when they grow up. Academic qualification is good, you need academic qualification, but home science is equally important, guys, right? So we keep on saying to kids, oh, study, but they must know how to cook to feed themselves too. So it's very important to cook. So guys, let me show you this, right? We're taking some pasta here, right? And with the oil, the water is boiling at the back. You just have a look here. So while this is boiling, just put some pasta in here, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the pasta, right? So like Indian style, spicy, you know, this bit of Indian flavors. So what we're gonna do is some bit of oil on it. While we are cooking our pasta, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make our spicy turka, yeah. Okay, so take 2 tablespoons of onions, right? While the pasta is boiling at the back, just put 2 big spoons of salt that goes in, and this is our simple, right? Indian cooking, very simple, right? Similar sort of ingredients. We're just gonna play with ingredients, and we already got a jar of already made pasta sauce, right, which is about 500 grams. So I've already put it in the bowl here. So while the onions are getting sizzling here, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some garlic in it. There you go. One big spoon of garlic, like a teaspoon garlic, because the pasta has to be garlicky, yeah? So it's quite nice to have a garlicky pasta. There you go. It's very piece of cake, right? It's a recipe, right? Anybody can make it, right? So what we're gonna do is add some chilies, green chilies, right? I keep on saying to all my videos, right? Don't use red chilies. Red chilies got no vitamins, nothing, right? Green chilies at least got vitamins, and it brings a like really good kick to the taste, right? Of whatever you're cooking, right? I love green chilies, right? So look at that. That's nearly done. Beautifully done, right? So all we're gonna do is, which is already, we got this jar here. Look at this jar, right? It's already, you can get it from any supermarket, right? If you haven't got these, get your own potatoes, your own tomatoes, right? Just add spices to them, right? And make your own puree, right? If you've got time, right? For the kids, get a jar, kids. Put it in here. Wow, voila, look at that. That's, your sauce is ready, which is spicy sauce. Lovely. So, I'm gonna make a spicy pasta, right? And if you put a bit of masala in it, not too much, sort of half a teaspoon, yeah? So, that goes in here. Wow. Look at the beautiful fragrances, right? Oh wow, smells so nice. Right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little bit, not too much, a little bit, right? Our magic touch, which is the jeera powder, right? So we're gonna put a bit of jeera powder. Right, I will wash the spoon later on. So let's put this jeera powder, right? 1 teaspoon, yeah? There you go. Voila. Wow. That's nice. The sauce is ready. Let's taste the sauce. The easiest way of getting the sauce ready, tasting the sauce right, is you pick this up and put your finger on it like this. Wow, lovely sauce, right? And I think we need to add a little bit salt in it, right? So all we're gonna do is half a teaspoon of salt. There you go. There you go, that's done. Voila, wow. Wow, it's so nice. Wow. So I'm gonna switch off over the gas. Our sauce is ready, right? There you go. Right kids, look at that, right? The pasta is boiled. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take one piece of pasta out. Like this, yeah? Over here. See, if it easily cut, that means it's done, yeah? And try one. It's done. Switch off your gas. Now, are we gonna save this pasta, right? So take all the excess water out. So we're gonna take it to the sink and we're gonna sieve it. Right kids, we're gonna do a couple of ways of plating it. So one is quite simple. Pick your pasta, when you plate, then you get your sauce, put your sauce on the top, yeah. Make sure your sauce is hot, and then what we're going to do is we're going to grate some cheese on it. Big, any cheese, right? There you go. There you go. Right. That's one way of doing it. I put a bit of an Indian touch on it. Put a bit of your magic coriander on the top. Voila, look at how beautiful it is, yeah? Add some salad to it, some cucumber, some tomatoes, the lettuce, you know, fiber day is very important for you kids. There you go, look at that, how beautifully it's done, lovely. The second way of doing it, put your sauce on the gas, put the gas on, and grate your cheese in it. This is going to be your cheesy pasta, right? So, there you go. You got your sauce, pasta is melting, the cheese is melting. Look at how beautiful. This is your cheesy sauce, right? Look at that. Yeah? Look at that. Let's taste it. Wow. Awesome. Wow. Look at that. Make sure all the cheese is melting, yeah? Look at that. Now, get your pasta in here. Pasta, and put your sauce on the top. Wow. Nice cheesy sauce. Mix it well. Wow. Look at that. add your salad. Just add a bit more cheese on it because we love cheese, don't we? There you go. Right. Add your salad because salad is very important, kids. And some tomatoes, some your lettuce. Wow. And finally, a coriander. Look at that. It's a proper spicy Indian style pasta. Right, we're gonna taste it. Wow. Wow. Awesome, awesome. Wow, what a beautiful flavor. So many flavors in your mouth. Wow, really, really nice, kids. Make sure you have salad with it. Wow. Very nice. Thank you, kids, for watching. Next time, we're gonna make some more easy recipes for you to try. And moms, please, please, please teach your kids how to cook. Thank you. Bye for now.